Hi, superstars. It is time for math. We are on lesson 8-5, Decompose 6 and 7 to solve problems. We are going to write equations to show parts of 6 and 7 and solve problems. Let's begin. All right, let's look at our first problem. Jada has 6 books she wants to break apart into 2 groups and place on her bookshelves. Draw one way she can put her books away, and then write the numbers to tell how many books you drew on each shelf. So let's do that first. She has 6 books and she wants to break apart into 2 groups. So we have 2 shelves here. We are going to break apart 6 books into 2 groups. All right, so I'm going to put on the first shelf 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to add one more right here, 5. I'm going to put 5 books on the first shelf. Now remember, she has 6 books in all. So we put 5 on one shelf. How many can I put on the second shelf? 1. So I'm going to put 1 right here. Now write an equation to match what you drew. You can break apart the 6 books any way you want. This is just one way. Just remember that there are 6 books that you are going to break apart into 2 groups. So I'm going to write my equation. I have 5 plus 1 equals 6. So I broke apart 6 books. I did one part or one group, 5, and one group has 1. So that's my equation. Yours might look different if you put the books differently. So let's move on. Let's listen to our video.
Jada has 7 flowers. She wants to break apart the group of flowers to put them into 2 vases. How many groups of flowers do you need if you want to make sure there are flowers in each vase? You need 2 groups of flowers if you want to make sure there are flowers in both of the vases.
So it looks like she put them in 2 groups. She put 1 flower in one vase, and she put 6 flowers in another vase.
How many flowers are in the orange vase? 1 flower is in the orange vase. How many are in the blue vase? 6 flowers are in the blue vase. Have all the flowers been put into a vase? How do you know? Yes, all of the flowers have been put in a vase. There were 7 flowers. 1 and 6 make 7 in all. 7 equals 1 plus 6. How could the flowers have been put in the 2 vases in a different way?
Okay, let's try that on our own. Okay, so we have the flowers. Jada's going to put in the orange vase and she's going to put in the blue vase. So we can do different groups. She did 1 and 6. So we can put 1, 2, 3. We can put 3 in the orange vase. And then we can put 1, 2, 3, 4 in the blue vase. So we have 7 in all. 7 equals 3 plus 4. So that's another way to break up 7 into 2 groups.
The orange vase could have 2 flowers, and the blue vase could have 5 flowers.
Great job!
All right, let's continue to our guided practice. All right, let's look at number 1 from our guided practice. Now, Jada has 7 flowers in all. She puts some in a blue vase and some in a red vase. How many flowers did she put in each vase? So we're using cubes to tell how many flowers are in each vase. So she has a blue vase, and we are going to look at the blue cubes. Those are the ones she's going to put in the blue vase. So how many flowers does she put in the blue vase? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember, as you're counting, you always want to draw a line through your cube so you do not count it twice. So we have 6 flowers that she put in the blue vase. And how many did she put in the red vase? 1. So 7 equals 6 plus 1. All right, let's go on to number 2. Carlos has 7 flowers. He wants to put some in a red vase and some in a blue vase. How many flowers can he put in each vase? So number 2, 3, and 4 have cubes, the same number. Okay, there's 7 cubes. So we're going to show 3 different ways that you can break apart the flowers and put them in vases, and then complete the equations to match each way. So again, you can choose which way you want to break up the flowers. I'm going to do it the way I want to. Yours can be different. All right, so let's look at number 2. We have 7 in all. So 7 equals, I'm going to use red and blue. I'm going to make this cube red, and then I'm going to make the rest of them blue. So I'm going to say that he's going to put 1 red flower, or 1 flower, I'm sorry, in the red vase. And then he's going to put 6 flowers in the blue vase. So 7 equals 1 plus 6. All right, let's go to the next problem. Again, he's going to break apart 7. He's going to put some flowers in a red vase and some in a blue. So this time I will say he is going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers in the red vase. And then 1, 2, 3 flowers in the blue vase. And that is my equation to show. All right, we're at number 4. All right, this time I will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers in the red vase and 1, 2, 2 flowers in the blue vase. Your numbers can be different as long as they add up to 7. Good job, superstars. I want you to continue on and finish your independent practice. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.